मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। I have no problem. I have no problem. तुम कल आ सकते हो। You can come tomorrow. You can come tomorrow. मैं इसे जल्द पूरा कर दूंगा। I will finish it soon. I will finish it soon. मैं यहाँ नया हूँ। I'm new here. I'm new here. मुझे इसे पढ़ना है। I have to read this. I have to read this. मुझे यह भेज दो। Send this to me. Send this to me. मैंने उसे समझाया। I explained it to him. I explained it to him. मुझे थोड़ी जगह दो। Give me some space. Give me some space. मैंने यह नहीं मांगा। I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask for this.